Hi, this is Matt Brennig again, and I'm going to show you this product here called the Cool Cup. This is a great product to size rings. For instance, this one that has a little stone in there. This stone can't take the heat of the torch needed to size and solder the ring. I've already made my cut at the back of the ring to size this ring down. I'm going to use the Cool Cup to submerge the stone down in the water. So this tweezer is slotted so that it fits right on the edge of the bowl of the cup, right like that. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water so that my stone is completely submerged in the water to protect it from the heat of the torch. Now you just approach this like a regular sizing with boric acid and alcohol. A little bit of green flux right at the seam. Use my hot pick to pick that solder up. So you could hear the water kind of heating up a little bit just from the temperature of the silver heating up. And my stone is protected. I was able to get a nice weld at the back where I sized the ring, and now all I have to do is polish and finish it up. Thanks for tuning in.